It's been really positive. The main reason it's been positive, everything's been centralized in one area. Most recent conferences have been spread out. This has all been centralized. We're here in the partner pavilion right now, and we've had very steady traffic. What's been really well handled is traffic being pulled in every evening as well. So we've had a lot of touch points with attendees, and it's been a high energy environment because of all the sessions that have also been offered. Yeah, so we show our solutions as far as automated HR visualizations or modeling. Typical questions have been ranging from what's a typical implementation look like, how long does it take, what are we looking at from a cost factor standpoint, and can we have more flexibility to configure what we need for reporting? So we cover all those broad areas in general, but there is interest in the solution for automated reporting and just needing some baseline information that they can take back for further discussions. Yeah, I've got some specific takeaways. So first of all, there's a lot of sessions going on here. There's 18 different rooms. I actually asked, there's 18 different seminar rooms going on that could be going on at one time. So a lot of information being disseminated. My main takeaway as far as the area we focus on is the great reset. So when we talk to clients about use cases, what it's really boiled down a lot to is a lot of companies are struggling with getting a handle on employee turnover and how to retain employees. That's really far and away been the biggest feedback, concerns about what do we need to do a better job retaining employees and attracting talent. So that's my biggest takeaway from Ascend 2022.
Great.